2025 1000 square feet house construction cost. What are all the materials required? About the details in first column. Then current market rate in second column. For 1000 square feet house, how much materials required? About the details in third column. Then here amount. First, cement. The current market rate of cement is rupees 350 to 400 per bag. For 1000 square feet house, 500 to 560 bags of cement is required. The total amount for cement is rupees 2,24,000. Steel TMT bars. The current market rate of steel is rupees 75,000 per ton. For 1000 square feet house, 4 tons of steel is required. 4 tons means 4000 kilogram. The total amount for steel is rupees 3 lakh. M sand. Rupees 3500 to 4000 per unit. For 1000 square feet house, 20 to 24 units of M sand is required. Total amount for M sand is rupees 80,000. P sand, rupees 3800 per unit. For 1000 square feet house, 8 to 10 units of P sand is required. Total amount is rupees 38,000. 20 mm aggregate. Rupees 3000 to 3500 per unit. For 1000 square feet house, 12.5 units of 20 mm aggregate is required. Total amount is rupees 37,500. 40 mm aggregate. Rupees 2,500 to 3,000 per unit. For 1000 square feet house, 4 units of 40 mm aggregate is required. Total amount is rupees 12,000. Gravel. The current market rate of gravel is rupees 3,000 per unit. For 1000 square feet house, 4 units of gravel is required. Total amount is rupees 46,800. Bricks. Rupees 12 for 1 brick. 16,000 numbers of bricks are required. Total amount for brick is rupees 1,92,000. Solid block. Rupees 45 for 1 block. 350 numbers of solid blocks are required. Total amount is rupees 15,750. Woodworks for doors, windows and frames. For 2 BHK house, woodwork rate can be between rupees 1,20,000 to 2 lakh. Electrical materials. Rupees 90 to 100 per square feet. The total amount for electrical materials is rupees 1,10,000. Plumbing materials. Rupees 100 to 110 per square feet. The total amount for plumbing materials is rupees 1 lakh. Painting materials. Rupees 70,000. Flooring tiles and Kadapa stone. Rupees 50 per square feet. For 1000 square feet house, you have to take as 1100 square feet for tiles requirement. The total amount is rupees 55,000. Wall tiles. Rupees 50 per square feet. Wall tiles requirement, you have to take half of flooring tiles. The total amount for wall tiles is rupees 27,500. Miscellaneous. Rupees 30,000. When you add all these costs, you get the total material cost is rupees 14,58,550. Labor cost. All labor cost, which includes civil work, electrical work, plumbing work, painting work, woodwork, tile laying work. For this, the total cost is rupees 6 lakh. When you add this total material cost and total labor cost, you get the grand total cost is rupees 20,58,550. Now let's see the cost per square feet. 20,58,550 divided by 1000, you get rupees 2058. So the cost per square feet can be between 2000 to 2100. In 2025, the cost for 1000 square feet house would be between rupees 19 lakh to 20 lakh. This is only house construction cost. I have not included the other costs such as building approval cost, temporary EB connection cost, borewell cost, design fees, septic tank cost, syntax tank cost, compound wall cost, main gate cost, interior works cost, elevation works cost. The cost given here is an approximate cost. It may increase or decrease up to 5 to 6%, which depends on location, plan and materials used. If you want this free PDF of 1000 square feet 2025 material cost and labor cost, kindly check the first comment below. If you like this video, kindly do subscribe Civil Engineering Shailu's Updates. Thank you.